Hi guys, you're welcome back to Halogenious Ideas. In this video, we'll be talking about Python dictionaries. Okay, so Python dictionaries are they're a versatile key value pair data structure. In the case of the list, the integers, the list, the tuples, and the sets, you can see that we have individual elements that will serve as the whole item. But in the case of the dictionaries, you have a key value, you have a key and a value that will serve as the item. So let me explain what I'm saying. If you have a numbers list, for example, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is an element and this is another element, this is another element, this is an element. In the case of the dictionary, or let me say d equal to, or let me use person. Okay, person. So in the case of a dictionary, I can say person. Now I have to start my dictionary using a curly braces like this one now, just like we did in sets, but this is a key value pair. In the case of sets, I'm going to be having single elements, okay, single unique elements. But in the case of dictionary, I'm going to be having a key value pair. All right, for example, name Alex. Okay, then I can do something like age, maybe 27. Then I can say city, I can say maybe Lagos. No, it has to be a string. All right, so take a good look at these two data. I have numbers. This is a single element, this is another single element, this is another single element. This singular element makes up the whole item. Okay, but in the case of the dictionary, this key value pair make up one item. All right, this key value pair make up one item. So that is how to create a dictionary. Now, how can I access values in dictionaries? How can I access values? For example, since I've assigned this data structure to the person variable, how can I access the value? For example, age, or the person's city, or the person's name. How can I do that? I can just come here and print person dot get name. Okay, I think I wanted to say age. So if I should run this, you see it is giving me 27. Let me close this other one. It is giving me 27, which is the age of the person. Okay, I can come here and say city. You see, it is giving me Lagos over here. Another way to do this is to use this indexing format. Name, no, name. Okay, if I should run it, it will give me the same thing exactly. It will give me the same thing exactly. So that those are two ways you can access items inside your dictionary. So if you want to, for one reason or the other, modify the data in your dictionary, you can also do that using, for example, person dot, you can say person, then you index age is going to be equal to maybe 24. Okay, so print person dot age. If I should run this, you see, originally I'm having 27, but on in line 9, I have made a modification to my dictionary data, so I'll be getting 24 now. Okay, so that is it. If you want to modify values, if you want to add a key value pair to this particular dictionary, what we did over here is that we modified existing key value pairs. Okay, what if we want to add a new key value pair to it? How would we do that? You can come here and do something like person, then gender equal to male. And if I should print the whole of person, it will give me that one too. Okay, you see, it is giving me name of Alex, age of 24, city of Lagos, then gender of male. It is giving me um the whole dictionary. And don't forget that the original dictionary, I don't have any gender key over there, but in this final one that I'm printing to my console, I have gender over here. Okay, so let me clear my terminal. So if I want to remove a value from the if I want to remove a key value pair from this person, I can use the pop method to remove a key value pair from my dictionary. I can just say person dot pop, and I'll put in the key, say age. If I should run this, you see age is nowhere to be found anymore. Age is nowhere to be found anymore because on line 13 I've popped that item. The item with the key of age is no longer in existence. Okay, so some dictionary methods that might be of interest to us. I'm going to be showing us three dictionary methods. The first one is person dot keys. Okay, so dot keys is going to return all the keys, name, age, and city. But let me remove this one. So I'll have the age. So if I should run this, you see it is giving me name, age, city, and gender. The reason why age is still there is because I've commented out line 13. So line 13 is not active at this moment. If I should bring it back and I run my code again, then you see that age will not be here. You see, I don't have age there, but let me just comment it out for now. So if I want to get all the keys available in my dictionary, I might want to use it for an iteration or something like that. I'll say person.keys and it will give me all the keys in my dictionary. So what if I want all the values only? Maybe Alex, 27, Lagos, and male. I'll just say key person.values and you run this. You see what I'm getting now? Alex 24, Lagos, and male. Alex 24, Lagos, and male. So that is if I want to get all the values. So what if I want to get all the items like the key and the value? I want to get the two of them, the key and the value. So I'll just come here and say items. Run this. You see now I'm getting the key and the value in form of a tuple. Okay, the dict items data type. I'm getting name Alex. Um, I'm getting a list of tuples because you can see what I have over here. A list of tuples. Then the dict items. So name Alex, age of 24, city of Lagos, gender and male, and so on and so forth. So that is it basically. I can also search for a key in a dictionary. If you remember your in operator, if you remember your membership operator, so the membership operator, we can use it to verify if a key exists in a dictionary. For example, if I want to check does age exist in person, so I can just come here and do something like age in person, then run my. You see, it's giving me true. Okay, if this were to be capital A and I run it, it's giving me false because age is not the same thing as age. Okay, so age in person, run it, I'm back to being true. So what I have here is city. If I should look for address, I won't be getting any. I won't be. It won't be giving me the truth value, and the reason is because address does not exist. Okay, so that is that about that. You can also iterate. You can use a for loop to iterate all the keys and all the values that you have inside the dictionary because they are iterables. For example, let me just give you one example. So I can say for key comma value in person dot items, then print. Let me use a formatted string here. Key, then let me put a space. I want to print it out to look nice. Print the key over here, then the tab spacing, two tab spacings, then value, value, then value. Okay, so let me take this one out for now. If I should run this, you see what it's giving me now. Key is what? Name. Key is age. Key is city. Key is gender. Then the value of this key, name, is Alex. the value of this key is 24, the value of this key is Lagos, and the value of this key is male. So you can do and undo with the dictionary basically. Okay, so just suit yourself. So we are going to be talking about nested dictionaries now. You can have a dictionary inside a dictionary. Okay, in the case of the list, you can have a list inside another list. You can have any data structure inside a list actually. In the case of the tuple, you can have a tuple inside another tuple. In the case of a set, you cannot have a set inside another set. No, it will not take it from you. The only thing you can do with your set is that you can have a set inside other data structures. Okay, you can have a set inside other data structures. In the case of dictionary, you can have a list inside a dictionary. You can also have a dictionary inside a dictionary. How can we achieve that? So come here and for example, I might just want to add address. Okay, so this address now, I can come here and do something like this. Okay, then I can say street. So this street now, I can have number 24 Montgomery Street. Then I can come and say maybe um, state, Lagos, state, country, Nigeria, then postal code. This postal code is going to be plus 234. Okay, so you can see what I have over here now. This is a nested dictionary, a dictionary inside another dictionary. So I can just come here, let me take this one out, let me clear my terminal, then let me bring this one back, then I'll say person, then indexing the address. Okay, so run it. You see what I'm having now? You see what I'm having now? I'm not printing the whole person now. What I'm printing is only this address, and you see that address is returning a dictionary. If I want to print the whole of person, it will be way messier. So you see what I'm getting now. You see what I'm getting. I think I should be able to use pprint. There is this thing I use. Hopefully it will work here. Pprint from pprint import pprint. So it will pretty print it. So pprint. Okay, very good, very good. So you see the way it prints it. So you see what I'm getting now. Address, then country Nigeria, postal code plus 234, state is Lagos State, and it's giving me age, city, gender, and name. Okay, it's giving me everything just the way I want it. So just the same way we have list comprehension, and I think I spoke about yes, one other one has a comprehension like that. I think it's tuple or set. I know we have dictionary comprehension as well. We have dictionary comprehension as well, where you can dynamically generate a dictionary. So how can you do that? Let me clear my terminal. Where you can generate a dictionary. So you can generate a dictionary, say square dict equal to, you bring your dictionary curly braces. So you will now you have to specify a key and a value. So the key can be something like x, and the value can be something like x raised to the power of 2. All right, you will now say for x in range of maybe 1 to 6, so it will stop at 5. So let me pretty print my square dict. So if I run this, you see I'm getting 1 1 because 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So that is how you can generate a dictionary dynamically using dictionary comprehension. So the last thing we are going to be talking about is how to copy a dictionary. How to copy a dictionary. So you cannot just copy a dictionary using person one equal to person. No, nobody will take this from you. Nobody will take this from you. What you have to do is to say person dot copy. Okay, person dot copy, and person one will be a copy of person. Okay, another thing you can do is to use the dict constructor. Dict. So those are the two ways you can copy a dictionary. So you will rarely have to do this, but if for one reason or the other you have to, those are the two ways you can clone a dictionary. So Python dictionaries provide a flexible way to store and manipulate data using key value pairs, and understanding these concepts will help you effectively use dictionaries in your Python code. So that will be all for dictionaries. Thank you very much for watching to the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions or you need support, please, the comment section is open. You can always drop your questions, and yeah, that will be all for now. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.